Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Ini kilong ki khubor ki ba menta kasni. Menteri rang ba kajala ukorat ke sangma ulayos no ketilang bat kinong ilam hapo kari India. Hene kasngi balang ban penpau ya ka jingso sorong. Halor ka jingjob jong ka Chandrayaan 3 mission ban yu kejat ha ubnai. Haba kento ha ka Twitter menteri rang ba kajala ulong ka Chandrayaan 3 kalayo kejat ha kerkom ka bakrau ha ubnai. Ngasngok ben bandang im hakaban sakhi yaka jingjob ka India yaka hau ban poi shadow ubnai indas ngau sarong palat yaka kunhun ka ISRO halor ka jingjob bakrau jongka kani kadi ka sakhi ba umkut satya uput baka India kamla ban poi bat kalong ka klip mat ka bas ngau sarong hiru yakari barok kawe hadin ka jinghyar ha ubnai klem kano ka jingtut menteri rang ba ulong kadai ka klip mat ka bakmen ya barok kinong jong kari India ulong ngihaban sutu batip bagi nei kari India kabasau ha kaperthai barok kawe ban job ha kaban hiar ha ubnai bat ngin dei kaban kong ban hiar ha ki bynta ba shathie jong ubnai.
I think we all will be very proud once it lands. We have to also understand that we will be the only fourth nation in the entire world that would have successfully landed in the moon, and we will be the first to have landed in the southern part of the moon. So therefore this will be a big step for India and a very strong message at the international level about the overall seriousness of India, about the capacity of India, and that India is now among those top countries that has got technology to send a mission to the moon.
Sir,